In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account for Panda Express. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up a web browser, head on over to Panda Express. So here it is here, pandaexpress.com. And now once you're over at pandaexpress.com, we need to click onto the user profile on the top right hand corner of the page. And then it'll say sign up today. So click on the big red sign up button. And once you've done that, you'll be brought to this page here where it will say sign up with email, Facebook, Google, or Apple. I'm going to do sign up with my Google account. Now I'm going to choose my account I'd like to use. So tutorial is here. Then continue. And then after that, you'll be brought to this page here where it says Panda Rewards, good fortune awaits, create an account below to get started. And it'll say, yes, please email me exclusive offers so you can have that checked or unchecked. And click on yes by checking this box. You agree to the terms and conditions, have a read of them, and then click continue. I'm going to accept cookies and then continue. And then once you've done that, it'll be taken to this page where it says welcome, good fortune awaits. And you might get a surprise gift after you've created your account. And then click tap to claim an order if you like. If you don't, just exit out. And then if we click on the top right hand corner, it will say your name. So that's me, tutorial is last name. I need to change that to make it look a bit better. And yeah, that's how to create a new account for Panda Express.